Hola, mucho gusto. Me llamo Andrés Fabián Vargas, pertenezco al programa de Ingeniería de Sistemas de la Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia para el curso de Métodos Numéricos. Realmente eh, voy a responder dos preguntas relacionadas a la materia en inglés. Entonces, la primera es, how do you think the numerical methods course contributes to your professional future? In a globalized world where data and are an import factor in business, the pros and understanding of this that help us to generate increasing effective technologies. It is there where the numerical methods are of utmost importance and will help us to process and model the information to advance in much more effective technologies. How do think a professional in your discipline can contribute to the community and social environment with the acquired skill through the degree education? Every day there are just one of problem in our communities, problem of insecurity, mobility, personal problems between communities, health and education. Through technology and data, we can create models that allow us to present solutions tailored to the communities in order to improve the quality of life of the inhabitants. The numerical methods will help us to solve problems related to the modeling of data in the different models to design.